My name is Jim Hu, and I am an EMBA class of 2013. I'm currently the Director of Business Operations and Strategy at Yahoo Sports. I took Bob McCann's communications class last summer as part of the split block elective. And I have to say it was one of the best classes I've taken in a very long time, and probably one of the best classes I took here at the UCLA EMBA program, mainly because no matter what level you're at in your public speaking skill level, whether you are somebody who's really uncomfortable with speaking publicly to somebody who speaks publicly very often in front of large crowds, everyone that you see who takes this class, you can see a true level of progression, and you can really see people improving their public speaking skills just from the things that we learn, both things that Bob teaches us in class and also being able to observe other students in class as well. And I think having that environment where they are melding some of the technical skills of how to structure a persuasive argument, combining that with working with lots of other students and watching students get up there in really uncomfortable situations and being able to speak through them. It's an amazing experience, and I learned a lot. I felt like I've improved a ton from taking that class, and I know every single person who took that class also felt like they improved a lot from watching that. And what the amazing thing about that class is after you take that class, everyone that you know who is in that class and you watch those people speak, you can see them using bits of things that they learned from Bob McCann's class in all the things they do when they're speaking publicly, giving presentations, or just getting up in front of the class and speaking. So it is a really great experience, and I highly recommend it. In fact, I fully advocate that this become a requirement for all executive MBAs to take. As executives, we all need to be able to speak well publicly. We all need to be able to speak very persuasively and be able to articulate the things that we're trying to sell, whether it be a business plan or whether it be a product.